Hey, what's going on, everyone? My name is D, and you're now tuned into New Touch Auto. We got an older model vehicle. This here is a Mercedes SLK 320, 2002 model. So therefore, you know it's gonna be some issues with the paint. The paint is pretty much gloss red, but the clear coat was failing miserably. More so on the trunk area, but all the areas that you see now that's ashy white, we pretty much sanded those down. Got those down to an area to where there will be no ripples showing, and we won't have any issues with the wrap peeling up the clear coat. The trunk, like I said, had the worst. We got that sanded down to where we need it to be. We removed the emblems. Now our next step is to remove the parts on this vehicle, such as the door handle, tail lights, that antenna, side mirrors, and things to that nature. The customer decided to go with a similar color. It's gonna be a darker red, but it's gonna have a more newer look. But when I tell you at the end of this video, this vehicle is gonna look like a totally new painted vehicle. I'll show you what the clear coat looked like before it was sanded, and then we're gonna get into the color. And here's the color that we're gonna finish it off with. Same scale, just a darker version. It's gonna make it kind of easier to wrap this vehicle so we don't have to hide too much. But this color here is gonna make it look brand new. Now this to me is too much red. Since we're doing a full wrap on this vehicle, we want it to look brand new. We want the customer to be surprised. So therefore, we're gonna do some areas in gloss black. Areas like this right here, gloss black, change it up, split up that red. We may do this area here, take it all the way around. Side mirror, door handle maybe. And on this front side, let's see, we could do this here, gloss black. Since it already has some black areas and accents, it'll go well and there won't be no issues. The roof could be possibly black, but nah, we're gonna keep that red. Now let's go ahead and get our measurements, get the cutouts, and then we're gonna go ahead and get started. Now this video is not a tutorial. It's simply showing you what you can do to your vehicle and make it stand out or change it up from what it currently looks like. Let's jump right into this video and we're gonna have fun, man. Let's go. Final look. So like I said, we got that black in there. Tell me what you think. Leave it in the comments, cause I wanna know, man. Now the previous paint issues made this vehicle very tedious to wrap. We got everything sanded down, so when they do decide to remove this wrap, it will need to be repainted. But for the most part, you got that shiny gloss that's changing things up. This vehicle here is now brought back to life. Now this is a 2002 SLK 320 Mercedes. Everything is back together. Nice, smooth, shiny finish. Customer should be excited to get this one back. We're gonna get this car outside. We're gonna put it side by side with the before and afters. Even though this is the same similar line of coloring, it's gonna be a big difference in the pictures and the photos.